schedule keeps changing from time.
Hello everyone. Fuck. I just tried a cool entry, but as you guys saw, it did not work out as I planned because aerodynamics of Roncom is not good for that entry. So anyways, hello everybody, welcome to Ron News. Welcome to another episode of Ron News. I have 3 updates for you guys. One is something which made me look like a clown and many people like me look like a clown. The second news is a very good one. It's related to the government and the education system. The government actually watched my video. Yes, they actually watched my video. That is why the change. Anyway, and the third news is poopy news. It will make sense once I explain it to you guys. So just wait. I will explain. Okay, so starting off with the first one. Recently, there was this update about the unlock phase that from 5th August, gyms will start opening up. And that's a very good news because I am a gym freak. I am an athlete in that field. And it's been over 4 months that I haven't done anything. And many people like me haven't done anything. So we were happy and my friends were discussing about it. There were posts about it that gyms will be opening up from 5th. But suddenly there was another update saying ki till 31st, nothing is gonna open up, as in no gyms are gonna open up till 31st, at least in our state, in Maharashtra. So, it's okay. I'm fine, I'm totally fine. Nothing has happened to me.
Hurting myself.
Like, I'm emotionally stable right now. It did not break my heart at all. Like, I'm a strong boy.
I'm broken.
So let's move on to the second news because thinking about the first one will make me cry on camera and I don't want that. The second news, yes, the second news. The second news is related to a topic that I covered on this channel. If you guys have been watching my videos, there was this one video in which I spoke about the education system of India and how it's outdated and how it needs to be changed and updated. Guess what? The government did watch my video. Yes, and they listened to me. I mean, yeah, the changes that they're making finally after a very long time, but what I heard was 34 years ke baad ye change ho raha hai, so I'm not pretty sure about it. So the changes are many. I will just put the link in the description. I cannot recite everything and tell you guys, but the main parts that I liked about the changes: students can start an internship from 6th standard directly. Yes, thank you government, thank you for realizing the importance of practical knowledge and practical education. The second one is my favorite one. Arts and science, there will be no defined difference between the 2 streams anymore. So everyone who told me, hey, arts le kya leke karega tu, what are you going to do taking arts, teko teacher banna hai kya? Relax, things are changing now. So basically the new rules state that, there's no definite difference between the 2 streams. For example, if you want to take a subject from the science stream and a subject from the arts stream, you can do that. For the first time, I'm actually loving the steps that the government is taking. For the first time, I'm actually loving it. Because it's a great initiative for everyone. Also, I can, boast about it. Ki, see, my video is being watched by the government. Where everyone's video and everything else is being watched by the government anyway. Also, there are going to be many changes regarding the examinations and the method of teaching and many other formats. And I had mentioned about all of this in that video, in that Education System of India video. So I guess you're the loser now, Arnav7. Yes, you are the loser. Those of you who don't know who that is, so he commented on that video saying first dislike. Like, I don't know why he wanted to do that. Nobody would even notice it because I'm not a big channel. But thank you. And also, you get the final laugh. No, I get the final laugh. What? I get the final laugh. Ha ha ha. Because now you're wrong. The government listened to me finally and the updates are being made and this will keep evolving with time. Hopefully faster than this 30-40 years that they took. But yes, Arnav, keep disliking. It will just help me with the algorithm, so I don't mind at all. So to the government agent who's watching this video, you should have just asked me like 30-40 years ago about the new updates to be made in the education system. So much time you wasted. Che! Hey, go down. Hope, go down. No. Hope, go down. Man, what a stubborn little girl. What the hell? So, a special guest has joined our show today. And the third and final news is about her. The poopy news that I was talking about. So yes, recently she has been sneaking up on the terrace. So she just runs away, climbs up the stairs, comes on the terrace and roams around. So we took it in a, chill manner ki she's a puppy, she's having her fun. Let her roam, let her have her freedom. So everything was fine until yesterday. Somebody complained that something is going on the terrace. So today I went up and I found out that Hope has been leaving huge loads of dump on the terrace. Big shits on the terrace she's been leaving. And we were not aware of it. I'll show you where she's been doing that. If you can see that dry potty and the patches everywhere, this is her doing. Where is she now? See, look at her. So all that is her doing. And I'll have to find something, I'll have to find some way to stop this. But she doesn't listen to me. She literally ignored my commands. I told her to go down. I told her no. She ignored it and she came up. Never mind, she'll learn in time. So yes, that's it for the day. Today on Raw News, we covered up 3 topics about the gym, about the education system, and about the poop of Hope, which was the most unnecessary news of all. But ठीक है, content is content, vlogging is vlogging. There's nothing else to do nowadays, man. There's literally nothing else to do. Also, if you're still watching this video, and आकाश अगर तू अभी वीडियो देख रहा है, कल तूने बोला था ना रोनी व्लॉग बना, देख तेरे लिए व्लॉग बनाया, तेरे लिए कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ मैं. तू बोलेगा तब मैं व्लॉग बनाऊंगा, तू जब नहीं बोलेगा तब भी मैं व्लॉग बनाऊंगा, क्योंकि मेरा काम है वो. मत बनाने मत बोल कभी भाई, प्लीज, आई लव यू. Anyway, that's it for the day. It's Ronnie D'Souza signing out from Roncom. Peace.